Are you tired of struggling with spreadsheets and budgeting apps that make you feel worse, not better? Let's change that. In this video, we'll show you how to fix your budget in minutes using AI. Yes, AI can actually do the math, track your habits, and help you build a smarter financial future. Let's start with the basics. What is budgeting, really? It's not about cutting every coffee or living like a monk. It's simply telling your money where to go before it disappears. But most of us mess up because we overestimate our income. We underestimate our expenses. And we forget to track anything consistently. That's where AI steps in. Today, there are powerful tools that use artificial intelligence to analyze your bank statements, categorize your spending, predict upcoming expenses, and even suggest where to save or cut back. No more manual tracking. No more second guessing. No more, where did my money go at the end of the month? Let me give you some real tools you can try. 1. Cleo, an AI-powered budgeting assistant that chats with you like a friend. It analyzes your spending and roasts you when you overspend. Yes, roasts. It's fun, smart, and surprisingly accurate. 2. YNAB, you need a budget. It's not fully AI yet, but their predictive budgeting engine helps you plan based on real habits and encourages you to give every dollar a job. 3. ChatGPT or AI Notion templates. Use prompts to build personalized budgets, track goals, and get monthly reports, all in your own words. 4. Google Sheets plus GPT add-on. Use GPT to automatically categorize, summarize, and flag anomalies in your expenses inside a spreadsheet you control. You don't have to be a finance expert. You don't even need to be good at math. You just need a system, and AI gives you one. Start with just 3 steps. Link or upload your expense data. Let AI sort and summarize it. Review suggestions and set simple, realistic goals. Want to save more? AI can find hidden fees, unused subscriptions, and spending spikes. Overspending? AI will call it out and show you exactly where it's happening. The best part? These tools improve over time. They learn from your patterns and adapt to your lifestyle, offering smarter suggestions as you go. Some apps even gamify your savings, turning budgeting into a challenge rather than a chore. Others let you set visual goals, like saving for travel, education, or even early retirement. So, if budgeting felt boring, confusing, or overwhelming, now it can be simple, even fun. Let AI fix your budget while you focus on the things that matter. And if you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to AI Hustle Lab for more smart money tips powered by artificial intelligence. We're building a future where managing money is easier, faster, and smarter. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting. For more such videos, subscribe and follow our AI Hustle Lab and have access to hundreds of such videos to make online money and explore AI tools.